This your boy Southside Rico, Crestside TV. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Keep it G, man. Shit free. Rick Ross got a lot of unhappy fans down now. Some say they never even reached the promised land. Over 1,000 at $250 a pop. They said the address was wrong. The parking was disorganized. And they had to goddamn pay for parking at local restaurants and shit. To never even reach the promised land. You know, for big events like this, you're gonna have your good and your bad. When like say Rick Ross had like 100,000 on the front lawn, that had to be do front lawn there, right? Cars and all. So come on. You're gonna have some hiccups if you ain't got the right team behind you. Make sure the event go all right. Rick Ross need motherfucker like when the Olympics come to your city, how they secure it and people that got working designated to do this job and that job. That type workers Rick Ross need to have. He was well understaffed for a weekend event like that. Well understaffed, bro. So now he catch a backlash out on these social sites. Trying to see if you're gonna step up and give them their money back. Some say they waited 3 hours just to get a shuttle to the promised land. Then get there, they had no wristbands for to give them. So he had so many people he ran out of wristbands for to get you on down on the property to the car show. You had several hundred complaining they couldn't even find the venue. The address was wrong on the flyer. And they spent their money. They're planning weeks in advance, months, for the trip down to MIA or Georgia. But I think the promised land is in Georgia. And shit crazy, bro. But I'd be highly upset though. I'd have paid my $250 and never even seen the promised land. Let alone make it to the promised land and can't get in. I'd have waited in that hot sun. So all Rick Ross fans saying they trying to see if he's the biggest boss for real. Is he gonna reimburse them their cash flow? Or he gonna just say it is what it is? But holding an event like that, you need to know exactly how many tickets you sold and who was exactly made it inside the event before you start thinking about reimbursing folks their money. Now they come back and see what type team the boss got. But kept record how many folks that came through them gates and what tickets, wristbands they spent out there rolling and put it on somebody's wrist. It's like a lose-lose situation. The ones that say they never received the wristband, they can't say, well, I got the wristband, but I never they got in. They can't say that. And some got emails of the low. If you lost that goddamn email and your email address, you fucked up. You charge them $250 to the game. They got birthday bash this weekend, well, the 22nd in Atlanta. Phillips Arena, they gonna have no problem. I know how many people they got in now. Cause it's a better organized, and they hold a weekend event. So if you just paid to come in Saturday night when these certain artists performing, we're gonna know if you're in there or not. Big Ross needs to start holding an event in a bigger area. I know you won't have it outside for the cars and whatnot, but he need takes you one of these football stadiums where you gotta goddamn drive down the road just to get to the stadium. That's how you can keep count of who coming in, who not coming out. Now it went out without a hitch now. I had no problems. You heard nothing about no shootings or none of that. No video footage of fighting there. So